Now we have the integral of 1 over square root of 9 minus 4x squared dx. Let's go straight forward to look in the table of integration. This is the table of integration. Let's scroll down and let's look in here. Integrals involving, and we have this term in here. Now let's look to number 28 in here. We have the integral of 1 over square root of a squared minus x squared dx. So we're gonna use this one in here, but first we have to leave x alone. So again, this is 28, but first we have to leave x alone. Here we have 4x squared, so I'm gonna factor this 4 out of this square root. So the integral on the top is just 1 over 9 minus 4x squared dx. So this integral is going to be equal to the integral of 1 over, and then I'm going to factor the 4 out. So we're going to have 4, and then 9 over 4, and then minus x squared, and then dx. Now notice I can remove this 4 out of the square root. This is going to be equal to 1 over, and then 2 of the square root of 9 over 4 minus x squared dx. Now also I can pull this 2 out of the integral, so it's going to be 1 over 2. Then we have the integral of 1 over square root of, and then I'm going to write this to the square, so we have 3, and then over 2 square, and then minus x squared dx. Now to use number 28, first I have to figure out what is x and what is a. So notice here that a is just 3 over 2, and x is the same. So a is 3 over 2, and x is the same. Now this integral here is going to be equal to 1/2, and then antiderivative of this one using this one in here. So that's gonna be arc sine of x, and then again a is 3 over 2 and plus a constant c. So that's gonna be equal to 1 over 2, and then arc sine of, then I'm gonna simplify this term, that's gonna be equal to 2x over 3 and plus the constant c, and that should be the antiderivative of the integral.